I just went on a run and I was looking through the trunk where the spare tire is in my husband's car, and look what I found. It's like he wanted me to find it. Wrapping? 10 out of 10. Let's see what we're working with, people. It's not a dress, that's a kilt. Sicko. Vacuum cleaner. Nope. Didn't know they did hair. I thought they only did vacuum. This is brilliant. Well, thank you so much, babe. That was such a thoughtful gift. Sorry I ruined the surprise. Power of the world is in the palm of my hand. Ooh, this one looks nice. Oh my god, I love it. Oh. Ow. What? Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a drill. She's coming in hot with her new Dyson blow dryer vacuum cleaner.
I'll never forget waking up from my emergency C-section and being told that my newborn daughter was a redhead. In my drugged up state of mind, I thought I was dreaming, but I wasn't. And now, 15 years later, her red hair is one of my favorite things ever.
Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leave when you fall, but you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on,
motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? Have my ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? Have my ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. I got a Dallas and an H-Town boo. Got a Betty out in Cape Town too. Whole gang eating steakhouse food.